sharing an Excel live Excel. That is what this video is about. But first, like and subscribe to my channel and share this content with your colleagues or friends. Yes, what I want to show you today is a tip to work in Excel while you are in a meeting and collaborate on it directly from your meeting screen. So first we are going to Microsoft or Microsoft Teams, where we can join this meeting. In this case, I'm going to join as Debbie, and I'm gonna close the mic and continue. So now I'm joined in the meeting, and I'm also going to join from Paul, which is a Dutch setting. Also, I'm gonna mute the mic here as well. And what we are going to do is the following. Going back to Debbie. If we are in the Teams meeting and now we want to share our Excel and work together on it, we can do this by clicking on the share button, and now we already have a few options, but there's a new one next to the PowerPoint Live, and that's called Excel Live. And be aware, if you are going to use this, your Excel document has to be on the OneDrive, else it won't work. You first have to upload it then. So in this case, I already done that, and I'm going to open the week planning. For this, it says share the contents with all the participants, and they will be able to access the file. So you directly know, okay, they can make edits to the file. So if you don't want that, don't use the Excel Live feature. But I want it in this example, so I'm gonna share. And what you will see is that the Excel is loaded, and it still looks a bit similar to Excel from sharing. The only difference you will see, and it's still loading a bit, so it's still in a primary phase, but is that this red cornered box is new on there. And what you can see is that Paul is already in this Excel Live. So you can directly see, okay, he's already there. And if we want to make changes, we can just start typing here and go to the other cell. And once you go into another cell, it will refresh. Let's go to Paul and see what's happening there. So here we go to Paul's meeting, and here you see that Debbie just made this change, and you see that I'm here. So I can make here a change as well. And you can see this way you can collaborate very fast. Let's go back to Debbie. And as you can see, I made some changes, and I'm almost in the same cell. So this really works nice. To stop collaborating or stop sharing, it's not to stop it over here where you are used to have it, but it's in here, and you can stop it from here, stop sharing, or you can even say, okay, I want to pop out this functionality. In this case, I'm gonna stop it. And we are back in our normal meeting with Debbie. So this functionality, I'm really curious, did you know about this new functionality? Are you using it? Please leave a comment and like the video and share it with as many colleagues and friends you have. And see you next time. Thanks.